Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be using this palette right here. I got this palette in my Glitz Claim box for, I believe it was August, and I just really want to use these colors because I think they're really pretty. And for today's look, I am inspired by my fingernails, so that is what I'm working with for my eyes. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, to start off, we are going to prime. We are going to use the Yes Enough face primer right here for the face, obviously, because it's a face primer. And we are going to use the Urban Decay Potion Primer for the eyes. Okay, so we are going to use concealer. I am using this brand here. It's called Self Beauty. And this is, I can't read the shade because I got this from Yes Style. This is a Korean beauty brand and I really, really, really like this concealer. So I'm just going to use a little bit here and a little bit here to light my eye area. Okay, so now we're going into foundation. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand because it just helps me control what I'm actually putting on my face, and I use the leftover to help clean up my brows. Now, I actually repurchased this. This is from Beauty Blender. This is Bounce. Now, I very rarely repurchase foundations, and it's weird because when this first came out, a lot of people weren't so excited about it, but I actually really like it, so I purchased it again. Okay, so for the eyebrows, I am going to use the Cream Shop Holy Brow. Okay, so I am going to do a light dusting of powder. I am going to use Bella Pierre Cosmetics here, just to get the foundation to set a little bit, and that's it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow now. We are going to use this palette. Alright, so there's the palette, those are the colors. We are going to stick with this blue color and a couple of these colors here because I'm inspired by my nails. I think to start off, I'm actually going to take this pink color right here because it's very faint, and just kind of swipe over my eyelids, kind of give it kind of a light pink base color. Okay, so now I'm going to go straight into this blue color and kind of do the outer part of my eyelid. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this blue color right there over the whole bottom part of the, well, the top part of the lid, but it's the part that hides away. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the eye and use this really shiny blue here, and then I'm going to blend it into, I'm actually just going to dab it into the center of each part and then blend it in really good. Okay, so I'm going to take a medium-sized eye fluffy brush and just kind of blend out the edges of the top part of the lid. Okay, so now we're going to go under the eye. I'm going to use this white color here. I'm going to do the inner part of the eye and go up a little bit in the inner corner and blend that out into the top. And then I'm going to go back with this shiny blue color on the bottom outer part of the eye. So for bottom eyeliner, I'm using Marc Jacobs. This is in Stiletto. This is going to keep with the icy look and not make my eyes look closed. It can help keep it open. So that is what I'm using. Okay, so we are moving on to some black eyeliner. This is Ila Mask. We are using that on the top lashes, or yeah, something like that. So now we are going to use the 4D mascara from Misha on both the top and the bottom lashes, and then I'm going to take this Joa Lash Uprising and just use this one on the tip of the upper lashes and another coat on the outer part to give it a more full look. Okay, so for blush and highlight, of course I am skipping contour and bronzing today because I just don't really want it. So I'm going into the Natasha Denona palette here for both the highlight and the blush, and I think For blush, I am going to definitely stick with this color right here, and for highlight, I'm going to go with that color right there. Okay, so I kind of wanted like the late 90s, early 2000s pink shiny gloss thing for whatever reason, and there are no colors like that, so I'm improvising for the lips. I am going to use my Natasha Denona liquid lip in, which shade is this? Giselle, and then I'm going to go over it with this color from Half Caked? Half Caked in Rich Rich. And this is a gloss. Okay, so I really didn't like that at all, so I'm taking that off. And I am just going to use this color. This is the Bad Boy, and I forget who this is by, but I got this in my Glitz Glam. It, if you're familiar with 91210, did I say that right? Anyways, from the 90s, that's this. It has the perfect color, and this is just a gloss. For setting spray, we are using Everyday Vacay from Seat London. Alright, this is my finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like how it turned out? Do you think it goes pretty well with my nails? Because that was my goal there. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.